What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Fish North Georgia series, and today we're on Lake Rabun. I've never been here before. I don't know how accurate this mapping is. It doesn't look like a deep lake, and there isn't much to it compared to even Burton. I'm also using my Humminbird active mapping, which sort of maps the lake as I idle along, and then I can save it and have it for future use. I'm going to be throwing around finesse stuff. I'm sure these fish are deep chasing bait. Water temp is 85 here. Probably gonna be throwing around the drop shot, the spot choker underspin, maybe even some top water if we find some active fish. That's enough talking, let's get after it. First Rabun fish right here. I literally thought it was like a perch or something. I didn't feel him. He wasn't really fighting. I guess he was running straight towards the boat. Look at that largemouth. Ooh, broke my drop shot. First Lake Rabun fish. Let's go. Cool, man. Nothing huge, but glad to be on the board. Let's go. There we go. Fish number 2, guys. Yeah, that thing got air. Come on, buddy. No, that's a spot right there. I thought it was a largie. He wasn't fighting like a spot, that's for sure. This heat must be getting to these guys. Let's get him back in right away though. Man, he's fat. Cool, first largemouth, first spot. See if we can get like a trout or something like Burton and complete the slam. There we go. Fish number 3. Another spot right there. Get in here, Bubba. Drop shot, it's been the way to go, whatever lake you go to this summer, with these fish being a little more, call them lethargic. You can sort of just keep it in their face, and sometimes you just got to leave it there and dead stick it so they'll bite. There's another one right there. Once again, man, you basically lock this thing in your hands late July through August. There we go. Got one out of a brush pile. Largemouth. Another largie right there. Got a brush that time. There we go. Largie number 2 of the day. Thanks, Bubba. There we go. Got one off the dam. Come on now, Bubba. Another largemouth. Catching a lot more largemouth in here than Burton though, that's for sure. Not as big as the Burton fish, but it's been fun. Largemouth right there. Thanks, Bubba. There we go. Another little dude. Another spot though. Quick release, get out, go. There we go. Got one out of that lay down. Largemouth on the drop shot again. Right there. Thanks, Bubba. There we go. That might be a better one. You get in here. It's a little bit better. These are more filled out fish. It's been a minute since we got one, so feels good right there. But yeah, man, he's real full. That feels like a better fish, better head shakes. Snot rocket. It's a snot rocket. Look at this guy. I don't even want to bring him in the boat. He was head shaking like a bass. Oh, he broke off. There's another spot right there, baby. Bite's definitely getting a little better. Still not a giant, but very grateful for this fish. Might be one of the better spots of the day. There we go, right there. Come on now. There we go. Get out of there. Going in the brush. There we go. Another drop shot bass right there. Whew. Man, barely hanging on. So I appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Lake Rabun was pretty cool. It was definitely different than Burton, Carter's, Allatoona, Lanier, Chateau, all those other North Georgia lakes. I enjoyed fishing it. It was definitely a little tougher, but it could also have to do with being, dead heat of summer. I definitely want to explore more and come up here in fall and winter when they draw the lake down and it cools down a little bit. Stay tuned for some more Fish North Georgia series videos. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.